Hey guys, it's Nick and I'm here in Madeira Beach, Florida. So I'm going to take a walk on the beach and see what the crowd is like and what the water is like on a November day. It's November 5th right now. So let's go see if there are people actually swimming and get an idea of how cold the water is, if it is a good beach day. And right now it's about 2:45 on a Thursday. So let's see how crowded it is, and I'll show you the parking lot right here, the municipal parking lot. You see there's plenty of spots here. Normally in the summer, if you come at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you're not getting a spot in most of these beaches. So definitely not a lot of people here, but a good beach day nonetheless. It's I think about 84 degrees today, so not bad, but the water is a little chilly. I was already in it and stuck my foot in, and I see it's kind of cold, but there's plenty of spots here. And if you don't know, Madeira Beach is on this little barrier kind of peninsula between, it's all on basically the same island that goes between Clearwater and St. Pete Beach. So this is somewhere in the middle. It's more of less of a tourist kind of area, more like local people who live here a lot. And you see the beach is not that wide, so not like say St. Pete Beach, that's a lot wider, or Clearwater. So because of that, and because of I guess the parking situation here, it's not great. You have this one parking lot and then a few small ones on the side streets with a few spots. So if you're planning your day here, you either have to come here real early in the summer to get a spot, or real late in the evening maybe. But it's a nice beach for sure, and there's a lot of, I don't know if these are condos or hotels or kind of condos that are rented out on Airbnb or whatever, but the beach is nice, good white sand, and the temperature, I would say, I don't know what to say about this temperature. It's definitely something you can get used to, but not something that I really want to get used to, because I guess I'm a little spoiled living down here, so I'm used to warm water all the time. So when I lived in New York, this water right here is kind of the temperature of the water, say, at Jones Beach in Long Island, or Far Rockaway around July probably. So it's not freezing cold, and you see there's people in the water, no problem, but it's a little too cold for me, I would say. So I'm not planning on going in, but some people are, and they seem to be okay with it. So as for social distancing and all of that, there's a sign saying you're supposed to keep 6 feet away, but nothing crazy. I saw videos of people in Spain that they have to wear masks at the beach. Nobody's doing that here except this lady over here, but you know, it's because she chooses to, not because she has to. So you know, Madeira Beach has a lot of, it's basically one street, and so it has a lot of beachy kind of restaurants and bars and stuff. So it's a good afternoon, and it's very close to, it's right after John's Pass, so there's a lot going on over there. So if you're in that area and you want a kind of quiet kind of beach, Madeira Beach is a good one, or any of these ones before this and after this, in between St. Pete Beach and Clearwater Beach. There's a bunch of these little beaches that are along this strip, and they don't have a lot of parking, and they're not huge tourist draws, but for a lot of people that's a good thing. So it depends what you want. If you want a quiet day, just come out to one of these places like this. If you want crazy tourists and big crowds and all that, go to like Clearwater Beach. So I mean, this is so small that there's even actually little houses on the beach here that haven't been turned into condos or hotels yet. So it's still kind of, you know, kind of old school. I mean, these buildings here look like they're from the 70s and 80s. There's no huge high-rises like in Clearwater. So definitely this is kind of out of the way place that not many people know about if they come here just to visit. They only know the big beaches like Clearwater and St. Pete Beach. But this is a good alternative for a lot of people. Like I said, parking is usually a problem in the summer, but right now it's not, and you park by the meter, it's $2 an hour. So this is what Madeira Beach looks like. If you're in town, come check it out, and check out some of the restaurants and bars around in the area as well. So everything looks pretty normal around here. And like I said, it's in November. Today's November 5th, 2 days after the election. So if you're thinking of coming down to Florida to relax and chill for a little bit, it's good weather. It should be in the 80s, you know, low 80s, high 70s. Like I said, water's a little cold, but for some people they're used to it, some people aren't. So that's a look at Madeira Beach, Florida. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if this beach looks like a beach that you would rather go to than, say, a tourist one like Clearwater Beach or St. Pete Beach. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Thanks for watching, guys.